So for today's beginner project, we're going to learn cryptography and how to encrypt and decrypt a message. So for this one, we're going to be using a package called cryptography. So first, we're going to start off with putting our message in the message variable. Then we're going to print the line so that we can see it before it gets encrypted. The next block of code is where we're actually going to be doing the encryption. We're going to create a key for our encryption. The same key is going to be used to encrypt and decrypt the message in this case. We're going to do this in line 6 with the generate key function in our package. In line 7, we're creating a class from our package that we'll use in the encryption. In line 8, we're going to set our message equal to the encrypted version. We'll first encode the message into UTF-8 using Python's built-in encode function. From there, we'll call the package's encrypt function to encrypt the message. After that, we'll print it so that we can see what it looks like. Next, we're going to decrypt the message. We'll do this by calling the package's decrypt function. We'll also have to remember to decode the output from UTF-8 into readable text. Now print it.